Hi class, how's everyone doing today? Hopefully everyone's doing great given the circumstances. Hopefully everyone's staying inside, staying safe, social distancing, let's not forget that. So we're going to jump right into today's activity today. We're going to do a Batman workout. So what's going to happen is I'm going to play the video. We're going to watch Batman demonstrate our first exercise. And then once he demonstrates that exercise, I'm going to rewind and then we are going to engage in the activity for 30 seconds. Okay? I'm going to play the video here. Okay, so as you can see, Batman is going into a deep squat. He's going to pop up and he's going to give a series of 4 punches, just like that. Okay, I'm going to rewind real quick and get ready because we are going to engage in the activity as soon as I start this. Okay, ready, go. Okay, so we're using our quad hamstrings during the squat. We're also activating our pec muscles, which target our deltoids, biceps, triceps muscles during that series of punches, as you can see here. Keep up the good work. Make sure we're breathing during the exercise. That's very important. Okay, we're going to rest here for 10 seconds. Also, it's very, very important that we get water periodically throughout the exercise. This is going to be the next demonstration. So as you can see here, Batman's going into a right leg reverse lunge. He's exploding up, and he's going to slightly turn at the waist, giving a powerful punch up. Okay? Just like that. That's how we're going to copy the motion here. Okay, I'm going to rewind. Okay, when I hit play, we are going to begin. So we're giving our best effort. We're worried about form rather than the amount of reps we're doing. Again, we're using our quad muscles, hamstring muscles during this reverse lunge. As we turn up, we're using our oblique muscles and a combination of chest, deltoid, biceps muscles to punch up. And again, we're worried about form. Okay, we're going to rest, 10-second rest. Get a sip of water if you guys need it. Again, when it plays, we're going to watch the demonstration. These are called dent kicks. So the dent kicks, we're going to go into a table position or a crab position. We're going to alternate our legs and we're going to kick out. And we're going to also try to keep that stomach up just like this. I'm going to rewind real quick. Okay, and we're going to engage in those dent kicks. So as you can see here, as we kick out, we're activating our hip muscles, our hip flexor muscles, with slight quadricep muscle activation as well. And as we're keeping our stomach up, we're engaging our core muscles as well. Keep up the good work. Everyone's doing great. Remember, breathe in and out, exhale, inhale. Okay, we're going to rest. We're going to rest for about 10 seconds. Catch a quick breather here. Okay, these are the Bane strikes. Again, we're just watching the demonstration. We've done these before, but now this is going to be from the left side. We're going to be using our left side of our body. I'm going to pause, rewind, and we are going to begin now. Okay, again, this is just the opposite of what we did before. We're going to activate our hip flexor muscles. And we're going to use our quad hamstrings as well during our reverse lunge. As we slightly turn, our muscles being used are oblique. And during our chest, or during our punch up, we're using our chest muscles as well. Okay, we're going to rest. Remember, sip of waters, no problem. These are called Joker slams, as you can see. Joker slams are just a squat down, and we're going to pretend to punch the ground. We're also going to alternate our punch after the squat, just like that. Okay, I'm going to rewind, and we are going to begin in the activity as soon as I hit play. Okay, so we are beginning our Joker slams. We're using our hamstrings and quad muscles during the squat. That twisting motion as we punch down definitely activates our core muscles, especially since we're bending over more than before. And that punch down activates our chest, deltoid muscles, biceps muscles, all those muscles in our arms. Great. You guys are doing great. This definitely is going to help us fight off the corona. And now we're going to move on to our next activity. Okay, so you guys can get a quick breather here. Definitely can get a water break. Don't forget to breathe. You might as well walk around too. Just get the blood pumping a little bit more or a little bit less. Okay, so this is going to be our next workout. Obviously, you can see here he moved into his Batman cave. Definitely trying to stay inside because we don't want to get any of that corona. Looks like he drove here with his Batmobile. Okay, so these next series of workouts are going to follow the same procedures. I'm going to play, you're going to watch during the demonstration, and then you're going to perform the activity. Okay, so I'm going to play, we're going to watch. This is another variation of that bat blast we were doing before, or modification. So as you can see here, he's going to turn and he's bringing his right knee up toward his chest. Then he's going to open up and he's going to give a little forearm shiver right to the back there. Okay? I'm going to pause. I'm going to drag this back. And we are going to do the bat blast. So as you can see, he's twisting here. We're definitely activating core muscles. Definitely activating our hip flexor muscles as we bring our knee to our chest. And we're definitely engaging deltoid muscles, especially toward that back part there. And even, trapezius muscles too, since we're punching backward. Awesome job. Awesome job, guys. You're going to rest. Remember, don't forget to breathe. Okay, these are called Riddler crunches. Again, we're just watching during this demonstration. The Riddler crunch, we're going to lie flat. We're going to bring our legs up off the ground so they're parallel to the ground, and we're going to bring them toward our chest. Just like that. Okay? I'm going to rewind. Okay, and when I hit play, we're going to do this exercise. Okay. So obviously here we're working primarily our core muscles as we're bringing our knees to our chest. And a little bit hip flexor target activation here as well as those legs are being brought up. Again, don't forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale. We want to get strong as we try to fight the corona and fight enemies that might be attacking us, especially if we were Batman. Okay, we're going to rest here. We're going to grab a quick drink if we need it. We're going to catch our breath. Okay, again, bat blast variation, but we're using the left side. So left leg comes up, just like before. You don't need to go too in depth since we did this. It's just the opposite. Okay, get ready. Go. So again, same thing applies. We're definitely activating our core muscles as we twist. Hip flexor muscles are definitely getting engaged as we bring our knee up. And we're using back parts of the deltoid muscle and definitely trapezius muscle as we're punching backward. And we're going to rest, catch our breath here. Okay, and we're going to watch this demo. Again, something we've already performed. These are called the dead kicks. I'm going to pause and rewind since they are already, or we've already talked about them. Okay, we're going to begin. Okay. So as we kick out, remember we're activating our quadriceps hamstring muscles. Definitely hip flexors here. And as we're keeping our stomach up, it's engaging our core. Great work. Remember, we're breathing in and out, in and out, in and out. Everyone's looking good. Okay, we're going to rest 10 seconds. Catch our breath real quick. Couple more. Everyone, I can feel everyone doing a good job. Definitely. Okay, these are called Harley hits. Harley hits. They're similar to the bat blast as what we did before. Instead, though, we're going into a squat. We're popping up. And we're going to give a series of 2 forearm punches, just like that. Okay? I'm going to rewind. And we are going to begin. So again, we're squatting. Definitely targeting our hamstring and quadriceps muscles. However, we're using more lat muscles as we're using our forearm to punch instead of a regular punch here. And definitely oblique as we're turning. Okay, so we're going to rest. It's going to be a last exercise for today. Everyone's looking great. Everyone is looking great today. Okay, these are called the penguin presses. So self-explanatory. We're going to get into a push-up position. We're going to bend at the elbow. And we're going to push up until our arm is fully flexed. Okay, let me rewind this. Whoop, a little too far back there. Okay, we're going to start when I say go or play it. And here we go and play. Okay, so push up. Nothing out of the ordinary here. We're engaging our pec muscles or chest muscles, which are connected to our biceps muscles, triceps muscles. Definitely using them as we work our way up and down. Okay, remember to breathe. In and out, exhale, inhale. Hey, great job today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Definitely something that, can help us inside, given the circumstances. Also, I do have a question assignment that's going to be filled out using Word. If you want, you can send it to me through email, or you can upload it to one of our class sites that we use, and that will be submitted as today's assignment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.